Hey, Trick Class, we're going to look at this question that's asking, where is tangent undefined? Now, the thing that we use to answer this is the fact that the tangent of some angle, can be defined as the sine of the angle divided by the cosine of the angle. And because cosine is the x-coordinates on the unit circle, so if I drew a unit circle, all right, so there's 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1. So the x-coordinates on the unit circle, we start off at 1, 0, and then we start rotating, and then when we get to that point there, you can see the x-coordinate is 0, and that's at an angle of pi over 2. And so at pi over 2, the x-coordinate is 0, which means cosine, which is down in the denominator, is 0. So that is what we mean by tangent being undefined. Tangent is undefined when cosine is equal to 0, and cosine is equal to 0 on the unit circle for the angles that basically put us on the y-axis. So pi over 2 does, we go all the way around to 3 pi over 2, and that will as well, right? And then it doesn't happen again until we're past 2 pi. So it's just those two angles that put us there on the y-axis, right? So that was going to be, pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Okay, so you got to make sure that you understand the definitions of the trig functions visually and their trigonometric definitions, so you can understand why they're undefined, so you're not having to memorize. If you can avoid memorization as much as you possibly can, because there is going to be so much for you to memorize.